The Bod Pod is a computerized egg-shaped chamber used to determine lean body mass and body fat percentage. It is one of the most accurate, safe, and fastest ways to measure body fat. Not to mention, it works with almost all populations. To do this, the pod uses air displacement similar to underwater weighing. The Bod Pod, however, is much safer and practical. After finding the density, lean and fat mass is calculated. To ensure accurate results, the participant must wear form-fitting clothing such as biking shorts and a swim cap. Loose-fitting clothing creates an inaccurate reading. The Bod Pod is a very easy test to run. After logging into the program, start by making sure the scale is calibrated with 20 kilograms. The program will give instructions on how to do this.
Put 20 kilograms on it, press enter. And then it measures it, it knows it's supposed to be 20 kilograms. It's going to have me do this a couple times just to get more than one result so it's more accurate.
After this, you will be able to start the test. Open the function to start the test. A screen will appear to enter all the subject information such as height, age, name, and gender. The Bod Pod will weigh the subject later, so don't worry about this at the moment. The program will then have you calibrate the Bod Pod chamber by inserting the cylinder. After this, it will instruct you to have the subject enter the Bod Pod. Remember to tell your participant that if they feel unsafe at any time, there's an emergency shutoff inside the chamber. The program will have you run 2 to 3 tests to ensure accurate results. To increase consistency, have the subject relax and hold still. Too much movement can cause errors in the results. If results are not consistent enough, the program will have you start the test over. After getting the subject's density, the program will have you weigh the subject. In all, the test takes approximately 7 to 10 minutes to run. A screen will appear with the results of the test. Print out 2 copies of the results, one for yourself and one for your subject. Results on the printout will include percent fat, body weight, fat weight, and lean weight. The percent fat is especially important as a risk factor for cardiovascular diseases, certain metabolic syndromes, and even some cancers. Here is a chart of different body fat percentages. The mid-range is the healthiest for most individuals. As you can see, the Bod Pod is a great tool for comparing body fat to lean mass. It works with many populations and is one of the safest, fastest, and most accurate ways to measure body fat. Try it now in the Exercise Physiology Lab at SIUE.